So in this method, to solve linear simultaneous equation, that is by elimination by equating coefficient, we equate the coefficient of any one variable, either x or y. In this example, we equate the coefficient of x. For that purpose, multiply the first equation by 5 and second equation by 2. So we get 10x minus 15y equal to 70, and second equation, when we multiply by 2, 10x plus 4y equal to 32. Then here coefficients of x are equal, so we subtract the second equation from the first, and we get here 10x minus 10x 0, minus 15 minus 4 minus 19y, and 70 minus 32 38. So 19y is minus 38, y is minus 38 by 19, y equal to minus 2. This value of y we substitute in any one equation, say in the first equation. So by equation 1 we get 2x minus 3 into minus 2 equal to 14. Minus 3 minus 2 plus 6. So 2x plus 6 is 14. 2x is equal to 14 minus 6. So 2x is 8. X is equal to 4. Hence the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 2. We solve these two equations. 2x plus 5y equal to 24 and 4x plus 3y equal to 20 by again elimination by equating coefficients. Now equate the coefficients of y. First equation coefficient of y is 5, second equation coefficient of y is 3. So multiply first equation, multiply equation 1 by 3. Therefore we get here 6x plus 15y equal to 72, and multiply equation 2 by 5. Multiply equation 2 by 5. So 20x plus 15y equal to 100. So now coefficients of y are equal. So what we do? Subtract the second equation from the first. So state here that subtracting, what we get, 6x minus 20x is minus 14x. 6x minus 20x is minus 14x. 15y minus 15y is 0, and 72 minus 100 is minus 28. Minus 14x is minus 28. Therefore x is equal to minus 28 upon minus 14, that is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Then substitute this value of x. This value of x we substitute in equation 2. So we get 4 into 2 plus 3y equal to 20. Simplify, we get final answer y equal to 4. Hence the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to. Second method to solve linear simultaneous equations is elimination by substitution method. Consider these two problems: 2x plus y equal to 10 and x plus y equal to 7. As the name indicates, what we do that we take value of one variable in terms of other variable from one equation and substitute it in the other equation. Suppose we consider the second equation, x plus y equal to 7. Therefore y equal to 7 minus x. we have taken y in terms of x. This value of y we have taken from the second equation. We substitute it in the first equation. So instead, substitute in equation 1. Therefore, 2x plus y is 7 minus x is equal to 10. 2x plus 7 minus x is equal to 10. 2x minus x is x equal to 10 minus 7. Therefore, x is equal to 3. This value of x we substitute in this equation. Okay. Y equal to 7 minus x. So y equal to 7 minus x is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 4. Therefore, we get the solution as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. This is known as method of elimination by substitution, or simply called as a substitution method. We discussed second method, elimination by substitution. One more problem. 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus y equal to minus 1. We take value of one variable in terms of other from any one equation. You can see that it is convenient to take second equation. From second equation, what we get by equation 2, see that 2x minus 1 transferred on left side plus 1 minus y on other side y. So y equal to 2x plus 1. Substitute this value in the first equation. What we state that substitute in equation 1. Therefore, 2x plus 3 into y is 2x plus 1 equal to 11. 2x plus 3, value of y taken from the second equation, 2x plus 1 equal to 11. Simplification. 2x plus 7x plus 3 equal to 11. 2x plus 6x, 2x plus 6x plus 3 equal to 11. 2x plus 6x is 8x is equal to 11 minus 3. Therefore, 8x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 1. We get x is equal to 1. Now y is equal to 2x plus 1. Put this value of x, 2 into 1 plus 1. Therefore, y equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 1, y equal to 3. X is equal to 1 and y equal to 3. We get this value. Okay. So this method of substitution, there we have to decide how to consider value of one variable in terms of the other, and from which equation, either first or second, and substitute that value in other equation.